Yeah, here. Here's your other ball you can hit with.
Now hit it.
Okay. Good job! That was a good hit. Here, I'll roll it back to you.
Now hit that ball.
Good job.
Now throw it.
Don't throw the bat, you throw the balls. Sadie. Why don't you put your big ball back? Sadie! Put your ball back on there and hit it again. Okay. Thank you. Oh, ow! You gotta go hit it off the tee, honey. Put it on the tee. Go put it over there and hit it off that.